My name is Enrique. I am a CNC operator here at McStarlight. I've been running CNC machines for the past 3 years.
What does a typical day look like for you on a manufacturing floor?
Typical day in the manufacturing floor, I prep my fixture, load up the part, trim any excess material on the part, probe the fixture, and hit cycle start so it can do its tow path.
Can you walk us through what running these parts look like before NC Transform?
Before anti-transform, running these parts was a lot of cut, test, check material thickness, and we run again until we met our target thickness, and even then, part was really inconsistent.
How much attention and concentration did the process demand from you throughout the entire cycle prior to NC Transform?
Prior to the anti-transform, I had to put my full attention into the part. I had to make sure that the machine was doing its right thing and removing its correct material.
Yeah, and what kind of consequences did you have if you pushed it a little too far? How easy was it to scrap a part?
To scrap a part, it was really easy. Even moving into the material a couple thousands, it would possibly be a scrap part.
And what kind of pressure did you feel over the course of a shift with that?
Pressure was pretty high since I had to constantly be checking, stopping the machine, checking its thickness. So my full attention was always towards the part and the machine.
How did you first learn to use NC Transform on the control?
Learned it visually. I had to get familiar with the whole NTT interface and the engineering interface.
Yeah. How long before it felt natural and comfortable to use?
It took a couple parts. It wasn't too hard at all. It's just a matter of getting used to the whole NC transform.
Can you walk us through what running a part looks like now?
So now, prep fixture, load up the part, remove any excess material on the part as far as a net or aft trim, and then started probing towards the part. And then we hit cycle start, and with full confidence, we let it remove any material on it.
What do you do while the machine is running now that you could not do while the machine was running before?
So now I can help any other machines around the plant, help my team members, and then as well focus a little bit more on the CNC programming.
Yeah, and how many parts can you run through the machine now in a shift as compared to before?
So now we're able to run a full engine set, which is 4 parts. As prior to that, we were only able to run 2 parts a day.
What does it feel like to hit cycle start now, knowing the process is handled versus the way it was before?
So hitting cycle start now with anti-transform makes it total confidence, since you know that your machine is going to remove the actual thickness on your part.
One and done. What does that mean to you on a daily basis?
One and done meaning running one part and not having to go back and make any changes or constant changes into your program or toolware.
Has NCT changed the way you think about your job?
NCT has changed the way I think about my job. Now that I have more free time to focus on other areas on the company.
For companies out there not using NC Transform, what would you tell them?
For companies out there not using NC Transform, I would tell them that they're missing out on NC Transform. NC Transform has changed the way our company develops these parts, so they're missing out.